Hi, Glenn Phillips here with Lake Homes Realty and lakehomes.com. Today I want to talk to you about 4 things Lake homeowners must consider about mortgage rate increases. And you may say, Glenn, well, I own my home. Why do I care about mortgage rate increases? They do matter. I'm going to tell you why. All right, reason number 1. Mortgage rates are less directly important for Lake home buyers than they are in other types of property because it's a discretionary purchase, but it influences the demand for your home. If you're a Lake home owner, this is an investment. It has value, often a significant value. And just like any investment, you want to pay attention to what's happening. If you decide to sell now, while interest rates are still relatively low, this is going to make your buyers far more interested in your property. In fact, many people who can afford to pay cash for a lake home may actually want a mortgage while rates are low, but once those rates go up, that's going to go off the table. It also may allow them to buy more lake home or pay a better price. Next thing, point number 2, is raising interest rates are going to slow the price appreciation of your home. We've been in an area of low inventory, high demand, which has driven up home prices, but interest rates are not going to stop that appreciation for 2022. It's going to slow it though. There'll be a few people as those interest rates tick up. Even if they're paying cash, there's a bit of a passive response that people have in their brain. Oh, interest rates are going up, real estate's slowing, they become less aggressive. Even if they're paying cash, interest rate increases alter buyer behavior. So number 3, influences of that buyer mindset. As I just said, interest rates go up, buyers tend to slow down, even if they're paying cash. It can also be a case of as interest rates go up, which are often mean inflation's going up. This is a second thing that influences the buyer mindset. Oh, prices are going up, I need to watch my money. Should I be spending for this discretionary purchase of a lake home? And item number 4, if you own a lake home that you should be thinking about, is about timing. I mentioned earlier, a lake home's an investment. It's probably a sizable investment. And if you enjoy your lake home as a personal satisfaction, family joy investment, and you don't care when you sell, what you get out of it, this isn't something you should worry about. But if you think this is something you need to maximize your return, we haven't reached a market peak, but as we're in the cycle, as interest rates start to go up, inflation goes up, buyer demand's going to slow, inventory will eventually solve itself. You don't have to necessarily plan to sell your home now. But if you're thinking about selling it in 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years, at least be thinking about these rates because we're going to reach a peak on these prices and they'll start to go down, just like with any stock. The thing is with real estate, you may not know the exact peak, but you can feel it coming much more in advance than you might with the stock market. And as an investment, think about how long you want to be in this home and time this by paying attention to the market. I hope these 4 tips have been helpful. If you're a lake home owner, I think it's smart that you always be thinking about this investment. It's valuable. Be sure and visit us online at lakehomes.com where we've got more videos and tips for lake home owners as well as those of you who are interested in buying or if you're interested in upsizing or downsize. We also have our agents who are familiar with each of our local markets who can help you about the nuances at your lake or the lake you're interested in. We also on lakehomes.com have tens of thousands of lake homes and lots for sale right now, whether you're wanting to buy or compare how your home's doing in the market. So be sure and visit us there, and I hope you have a great day. For more information, be sure to check out lakehomes.com.